this is the first session, and on this session we'll learn how we can create a AWS account. So let me just quickly guide you through it. So first thing, just go into Google and type for AWS. Once you search for AWS, you should get this first link. Just look at this link, aws.amazon.com account, then sign up. Click on this link or create an AWS account. Wait for the page to get loaded, and once you load the page, okay, let's first wait. Okay, so I think I came into some different service. Anyway, I can also go from here. So let's just click on sign into console. It could be sign up for you. Now once you click on this particular button, you will get some UI like this. If you are not getting any UI like this, in that case you can get a different UI. It should look like this. Create a new AWS account like this. Okay, so now here you need to provide an email address and your username for this particular AWS account. Once you are done with this, just click on verify email address and you will get a OTP via email, and you need to provide that particular email that particular OTP, and once done it will take you to next step. So just keep something in mind. You need to provide some billing information to AWS and some identity information to AWS. So for those two purposes, you need to have your credit or debit card with you with international transaction enabled, so that AWS can charge you to verify that your card is valid. It will charge you something around 2 rupees. Another thing, you need to keep with you your ID proof. It could be driving license or Aadhaar card or PAN card. I'll recommend if you keep PAN card with you, and if you don't have PAN card, you can just go with driving license and just provide those data, and you are good to go. Once you are done with sign up process, you should Amazon should take you back, or the website should take you back to the login screen, and it should ask you to sign into console. Just click on that and it will auto redirect you. From next time, you need to go into your AWS account, select root user, provide your email ID and password, and if you have two-factor authentication setup just like me, in that case you will be needed to provide a code from your authentication app. So here let's go, let me just provide the code. Okay, so submit, and I am logged into the account. Okay, now once you logged into AWS console, or you can call it a dashboard, AWS dashboard, AWS console, whatever you would like to call. From AWS perspective, it is a console home. So anyway, from here you can see couple of services here. In your case, as you are creating your account first time, it should be empty. There should not be any services here, because this is recently visited. So don't get afraid that I have all those services but you don't have them. I have visited them, that's why they are appearing here. Okay, another thing you need to keep in mind, that is current region. Okay, so basically you can select the current region from here. Okay, always keep your current region closer to your location. So if you are from India, like me, so I prefer Mumbai because this is the closest location from me. So that's why I am selecting this one. So it's kind of like, let's say you want to travel. Okay, so just think about one. If you need to travel to Mumbai from India, within India, so that's way faster than traveling to any of these other places, correct? So same way, when we are using internet, it will be faster if all of our servers and data centers are located in Mumbai instead of these places. Reason, because my users from India will try to access it, and if the centers are present in Mumbai, then it will be easier and fast to access those services. Okay, great. So I hope that you guys have understand of this availability zone. Now another thing I need to explain you, I'll show you a demo for that also, but always keep in mind about the resources you are creating, where you are creating them. Okay, so let's say I have created 2 or 1 instance in this particular Mumbai zone, okay, or I have created a server in this Mumbai availability zone or region. Now once I created that particular server into Mumbai, if I change to in Virginia, in that case I will not see that server in this particular region. Okay, your all the resources that you are creating, all of them are specific to region. So if you want to find some instance, you need to select that particular region. You can think of it like you are filtering the services by region, like okay, so under Mumbai region, what are the instances or what are the servers I have created or what are the services I have been using. So all the services you will be using based on region are divided by region. So you cannot, I am just repeating again, if you created any server or any, you are using any services in Mumbai region, you will not be able to use those same servers or same services into Virginia. Yes, you can use EC2 services, but if you created a server or EC2 instance under Mumbai, you will not be able to see that already created EC2 instance under this different region. I'll just explain you into next video also when I'll be creating that EC2 instance, so that it will be better for you to understand. Okay, okay, great. So let's not waste more time and let's jump into our next session. Great.